Hi everyone, welcome to Weekend Studios. Today we are going to discuss in detail about components of Selenium. Tools of Selenium. In Selenium we are having 6 components. Those are Selenium RC, Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid, Vinium as well as Appium. And when coming to the Selenium RC, it was introduced in the year 2004 and it was introduced by ThoughtWorks. It stands for Selenium Remote Control. It is used to automate only web applications. It supports all the browsers, all the programming languages like Java, Python, etc. It supports all the operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. It is the first open source Selenium automation tool present in the Selenium community. It is a script based. And when coming to the RC, we have one extra server called as RC server. The thing is why Selenium RC is failed means here we are using the separate RC server to configure the browser details as well as the application details. So that the memory usage is more, which result to the performance is low. Here we can automate only HTTP application and we can't automate HTTPS applications. So in order to overcome the drawbacks, we are going for the Selenium WebDriver. Before going to Selenium WebDriver, we have to go to the Selenium IDE. It is the only one UI based tool present in the Selenium community. It was introduced in the year 2006 and it was also introduced by the ThoughtWorks company. It is the record and playback automation tool. And when coming to the drawbacks of Selenium IDE, here we can use only Chrome and Firefox browsers. And here it can't support mouse over action and it can't support data driven testing and we can't automate Ajax application in the Selenium IDE. Ajax application means the content which we change frequently is known as Ajax application, and we can't automate new window or new tab in Selenium IDE. So in order to overcome the drawbacks of Selenium RC and Selenium IDE, we are going for Selenium WebDriver. It is the most popular tool that we are using in the Selenium community. It was introduced in the year 2009 by Google. It is the script based automation tool and it supports all the programming languages as well as all the browsers as well as all the operating systems. When coming, these are also having some drawbacks in Selenium WebDriver. Here we can't automate desktop applications and here we are to perform any special execution we are using third party tools in Selenium WebDriver and we can't do the image based testing in Selenium WebDriver. For doing image based testing there are some limitations, so it is also comes under the drawback of Selenium WebDriver. When coming to the Selenium Grid, it is used to mainly to check the compatibility issue of the application. Here we will be checking the application in the multiple browsers like the test script, server hub. Here we will be seeing the application or checking the application in multiple browsers like Windows, Mac. Here we will be checking the application in multiple mechanisms, like we can check it in Windows, Mac as well as Linux, and it is also known as cross browser testing in automation. whereas we call it as compatibility testing in manual. When coming to the Vimium, whenever we are automating the web application, sometimes we need to automate the desktop applications also, like pop-up, window pop-up, all that. So in order to do these type of handle these type of scenarios, we will be going for Vimium. But Vimium is not that much popular in our day-to-day life because of the third-party tools like Auto IT, Sequoia. These are more compatible with the Selenium WebDriver. So these are the most popular tools that we will be using instead of Vimium. And when coming to the Appium, it is used to automate the mobile applications. These will be the in details the tools and components of the Selenium. Thank you.